Top news headlines. NASA finds Chandrayaan-2 lander Vikram with the help of Indian engineer. Man-pack team seeks blessings of Choirman goddess. Drug lab busted in Tawal, huge cats of brown sugar seized. Hello and a warm afternoon. You are watching the news today at 1 p.m. This is Maria Pangamam giving you the news in details. Shanmugha Subramanian, the engineer from Chennai who helped locate the lander of India's second moon mission Chandrayaan-2, has said that he spent many nights probing a picture of the impact site shared by US space agency NASA. Subramanian believes that the crash landing of Vikram lander met more people interested on moon mission. I don't think Vikram lander would have made such an impact on minds of Indian public. The 33-year-old information technology IT professional said that the crash landing certainly got him interested. I got hooked and started comparing NASA's picture to previous ones every night for some 4 to 5 days, he said. NASA made the announcement of the discovery on Tuesday morning and released an image taken by its Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter LRO on November 11, showing the landing site. Before leaving for New Delhi to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah over the issue of Citizenship Amendment Bill, a 9-member team of Manipur Peoples Against Citizenship Amendment Bill man-packed today sought blessing of Choirman Ima Market Goddess at 5 different spots. The man-pack team also held a small gathering with senior women vendors after the blessing ceremony. Man-pack convener Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar reiterated that Man-pack and all the Northeast states have strongly opposed CAV and the stain is very clear.
Awang nong pok lamdamda Manipur yauna hai basi bisi chana basunya yaroi hai ba phire badu akoi home minister gi mafam na chapchara thamgani aduga kariguma makhalgi kariguma semdok sadok adu adal kariguma leiba taraga su hai riba home minister gi maige di thamlak ba pham adu aikoina Manipur miyam golona na tanara kanda kari tawo phai hai bado akoi amuk tana jagani aduga ngasi gi ona chali ba khongchara sidadi hojik phawda akoi gi Manipur gi miyam na akoi da pibi riba thaudang amasung aikoida apam phongdok biriba si CAB asi Manipur yauna awang no problem dam da sung chana ba yaroi haiba wafam si obena no to CAB haibani CAB should not be extended in the entire northeast including Manipur haibani haiba phireba sidagi hongba leite.
A combined team of Thaubal District Police and 26 Assam Rifles arrested 2 persons and seized around 41 kgs of brown and 10 liters of morphinated liquid from their possession. The team busted an illegal brown sugar manufacturing laboratory at the residence of Ningkhangam Awungsi at 39 years of Sadakumbi village within Nongpok Sekmai yesterday afternoon. The team also recovered around 41 kgs of brown sugar along with different items used in manufacturing the drugs. After disclosure by Ningkhangam Awungsi, the team along with FSL Pangai team also seized around 700 grams of heroin and rupees 2.8 lakh in cash along with other items from the residence of one Wongregam Awungsi at 45 years from Sadakumbi village. The 2 persons have been arrested for further legal action, a report said. State-level International Day of Persons with Disabilities was observed by Social Welfare Department, Government of Manipur at Iboyai Sumangla Sanglan, Imphal today. The program was held on promoting the participation of persons with disabilities and their leadership, taking action on the 2030 Development Agenda. Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgan, Principal Secretary of Social Welfare V. Vumlunmang, and Director of Social Welfare Manipur Ngangom Uttam said Singh attended the event. Now, there is a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers pan India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600-944-5522.
Admission Notice 2020 Heritage Convent, Oripok Bachaspati Laikai and Naramthong Khulem Laikai, Imphal, Manipur. Admission open for preparatory, nursery and KG. Minimum age for preparatory 3+ years, for nursery 4+ years, for KG 5+ years as on 1st of April 2020. Application form available from the school office at Heritage Convent Campus 1 at Oripok Bachaspati Laikai on 8th of December, Sunday 2019, between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Choosing the right school for your child is one of the most important decisions you will make in your child's life. Come, be a part of the Heritage family. Prospectus will be issued against production of birth certificate. For further details, please contact Heritage Convent.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi. Wedding sets karayengi.
Sure, ma'am. Shiki seti anu yorokuni, ma'am. Inbi.
Che. Sisam phazadro. Sisam phazadro che. Yam against we.
Mobile furniture and wedding season asigi oina discount up to 30% ki khudong chao pichari.
Thare do disi tarsia. Bhaiya che seri tarsi. Sei se booking tak senjar.
Welcome back. CAF and PD Levers Welfare Association staged a sit-in protest at FCI Depot, Sangay in Imphal today, demanding a ban on NR Matai Enterprises. The association had given a deadline of December 2 to initiate the action against the enterprises for allegedly violating the rights of laborers. General Secretary of CAF and PD Levers Welfare Association, Romendrajit Morangcha, said that the demonstration was against the indifferent attitude of FCI department over the matter. Romendrajit said that NR Matai Enterprises has been harassing the laborers mentally for a long time. He also said that the Laborers Association of Jirivam and Sangay Pro will take up further hesitation in the coming days if the Matai Enterprises is not banned immediately. In continuation of temporary Mao market in various parts of the state, Mao Imphal Marketing Coordinating Committee, Progressive Youth Association, Oinam and Oinam Municipal Council today arranged a massive Mao market at Oinam Kitil. People from Oinam and adjoining places thronged the market. Vice Chairperson of Oinam Municipal Council, Omarang Tosing, expressed gratitude to the people for their participation and cooperation. President of Progressive Youth Association, Oinam O Premjit Meite, maintained that the dedicated market will strengthen the bond among the communities of the hills and valley. Around 80 stalls are being put up at the market site selling fresh produce, including vegetables from Mao in Senapati district. Kumbi MLA's Bureau led the sowing of rabi crops in Tain Pari of paddy field at the Kangsoybi Mapal near Kumbi area of Bisnupur district today. The initiative was taken up as part of the Green Revolution mission. The MLA also distributed rabi crop seed to the farmers of the area. EO Agri Department Kumbi Circle A Azendro Kumbi BJP Mandal President S. Angoshana and office bearers of Kangsobi Mahal Farmers Club were present during the event. The members of All Assam Students Union AASU yesterday staged a protest in front of Chief Minister Sarvananda Sonowal's residence in Dibrugarh demanding scrapping of the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, a media report said today. The protesters confronted with the police near Chief Minister Sonowal's residence and later broke the barricade which was installed to prevent the protesters. Sonowal was not present at the residence during the protest. The Chief Minister was in Dibrugarh on Sunday to attend his relative's marriage at his paternal house in Chabua. The protesters, who come from different parts of Dibrugarh district, first took out a motorcycle rally across the town before converging in front of Chief Minister's residence at No. 1 Lakinagar Road here. Sonowal, who was at his residence, left hours before the protest for Jorhat by a chopper from a temporary helipad near his residence to attend the Asom Devas program organized to pay homage to First Ahom King Chaolung Siu Kafa. The police put up a strong barricade preventing the protesters from entering the CM's residence. Healthcare giant Apollo Hospitals is keen to set up a super specialty hospital in Tripura capital Agartala. The assurance has come following a meeting between State Chief Ministers Biplab Deb and Apollo Chopras, including its president V.S. Reddy yesterday. According to media reports, informed that the meeting was very fruitful and the Apollo Group is ready to set up a super specialty hospital with facilities of neurology, cardiology and nephrology in the town. Another short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Pakong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahi tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawagi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum changna na coaching tawhanba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Welcome back. The Indian and Chinese militaries will be engaged in a joint military exercise at Umroi in Meghalaya from December 7. The exercise, Hand in Hand 2019, will involve tactical level operation in a semi-urban terrain for an international counter-terrorist operation, a media report said. The exercise is scheduled to be conducted at Joint Training North at Umroi Cantonment, about 25 km from Shillong, from December 7 to 20. Defense spokesperson Wing Commander Ratnakar Singh said the Chinese contingent from the Tibet Military Command will comprise 130 personnel and the Indian contingent will be of similar strength in the 14-day-long training exercise. He said the exercise is planned at the company level with the respective battalion headquarters controlling the training. An explosion of a suspected smoke grenade at a park near Indonesia's presidential palace in the heart of capital injured at least 2 military personnel today, Jakarta's police chief said according to media reports. However, President Joko Widodo was not at the palace at the time, a presidential spokesman said. It was not immediately clear if the blast was the result of sectarian attack, but Indonesia, the world's most populous Muslim majority country, has suffered a resurgence in homegrown militancy in recent years. The explosion at 7:15 a.m. on the north side of the park was thought to have been caused by a smoke grenade, Jakarta Police Chief Gatot Edi Pramono told a televised news conference. Now we have the sports news. Cameron Bancroft has been left out of Australia's 13-man squad for the Test series against New Zealand, which starts in Perth next week in an otherwise unchanged group from the one which swept Pakistan 2-0 with a brace of innings victories. James Pattinson, who was ruled out of the opening test against Pakistan after his code of conduct suspension, and the uncapped Michael Nasher remained the support-based bowling options. Rotation was a theme among Australia's past attack in the Ashes, but barring any injuries, it would be a surprise if they changed the current trio for the opening test against New Zealand. Arunachal's Rupa Bayor and Gangfung Gangsa have brought laurels to the state and the nation by winning a silver and bronze medal respectively at a Taekwondo event during a 13th South Asian Games held in Kathmandu, Nepal. Nepal is hosting the regional sporting extravaganza for the third time from December 1 to 10 in Kathmandu, Pokhara and Janakpur. It started under the banner of South Asian Federation Games in 1984 and returned for the second time in 1999. South Asian Games, formerly known as South Asian Federation Games, are a biannual multi-sport event held among the athletes from South Asia as per a report. At present, SAG are joined by 8 members, that is Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Amit Shah says that with man-pack today. Political parties too to meet Home Minister, says Chief Minister. Curtains down on Shanghai Festival. More arms seized. Jalyarong Civil Organizations picks holes in Nagalim calendar. NACNIM salutes Jadonang. The People's Chronicle will uphold public trust aspiration, says Dilip Kumar. Shah to meet state CSOs, politicians tonight. 33 officers of MPSC 2016 batch terminated from service. 50,000 cash reward for info on murder accused. Low turnout hurts governor. Chief Minister regrets protest culture. Shanghai Festival concludes. Imphal Free Press. Shanghai Fest 2019 ends on high notes with moderate turnout. Fallen visitors concerns governor. ART stock shortage aggrieves PLHIV NGO workers. High Court directive of maintaining buffer stocks defied.
Before we wind up the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Top news headlines. NASA finds Chandrayaan-2 lander Vikram with the help of Indian engineer. Man-pack team seeks blessings of Quiremban goddess. And drug lab busted in Taubal, huge cats of brown sugar seized. That's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.